Or that one. Five and a half.
5.5. That's not going to be big enough for a 4x4.
Okay. Moving on.
Okay, so we have the log that we're going to use. So I pull, which one was it?
This one. So we need to cut
that's
it.
really crooked. No, that wasn't the one we were going to use.
Yeah, but we only want 11 feet out of it. And I think you said the 11 feet is the...
No, that wasn't it.
That
was
wasn't
this one.
Oh,
It
yeah.
was straight.
Oh, yeah.
And we can't use that and get anything out of it.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I marked that one at 13 feet. So this will be the 4x4. See, I put the leaf on it to mark where it cut.
The leaf?
The bark.
Okay.
So that's the one we use for our 4x4 post.
It's just so technical. We've cut at the bark.
Cut at the bark. And then that'll be our siding. I don't know if we'll have...
Yeah, we have two siding. We have the ones that you can tell came from the same tree. They're a little redder. So this one here, and then that one there.
Oh, guess who's digging that out?
Yeah, so there's the matching ones. This one and that red one down there. That's our siding.
Okay, so
and then your bark marked one for our last 4x4 post. We're good. Six 4x4s in 2-foot sections. 4x4 posts 8 feet long, 4 of them.
So here is our garden bed framed up, bud. Dogs are fighting. So we've been trying to film, but it's been very hard because it's downpouring. So we milled all these. These are 4x4s that we've lagged and toe-nailed together. And we will be framing, siding the outside. And they're just about 8.5 feet long by 4 feet wide. And we're going to be boarding across too. And what we did do is we lifted the boards all around the bottom just so we can grab them with a skid steer, and lift them and move them where we need them to move. So this is the style that we're going to build for all our garden beds, and this is just our test pilot. So it's coming along. So this is exciting. We have all of our, hey bud, what's the boy doing? We have all of our trim pieces on except for the top. We're gonna put some accents along the top, but we've got everything done now.